Welcome back, my name is Caleb, and this is Card Table Aerospace. This is going to be our second Onshape tutorial, where we'll be covering how to use pockets and revolves. So, here you can see, this is right where we've left off, just a simple cube. But, what if we want to make a hole in our cube? Well, that's what pockets are for. First, select a face. Then, make a sketch on this face. Make sure to go into top view for this. Then, make whatever shape you want. Try to get it aligned with the origin. Now, you have your shape on the face. Now, we know our cube is 4 inches, so make this distance exactly 2. And we can dimension our circle's diameter to 2 as well. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. If we move out here, we can now select this and extrude it. And you may be thinking, how are we removing material for extruding? Well, there's a tab right here that allows us to remove material instead of add it. And since we have to go all the way through, we just need to select blind, then up to face, and select the bottom. We now have a hole all the way through our model. Now, if we want to use revolves, we have to create 2 sketches. What I like to do is first create the sketch we want to revolve. I'm going to select the front plane for this. Now, simply create what we want to revolve, where we want to revolve it. I'm just going to make a simple rectangle. And then, we also need to make an axis. To do that, we just need to select a different plane, create a sketch, and create the axis on which we would like to revolve it by simply making a line. That's all there is to it. Now, select our first sketch and select the revolve tool. And our axis will be sketch 4. As you can see, we now have this nifty little circle. We can also do, just like the pocket, is remove. Now the circle has been taken away from the cube. That's all there is for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe so you don't miss out on the next tutorial.